Math in Focus is used throughout Pierpont School. We're going to give you a little background about how Math in Focus is used for the 4th, 5th, and 6th grades. The philosophy behind Math in Focus is organized to teach fewer concepts, but to teach them thoroughly. When the concept is introduced at a subsequent grade level, it is always then at a higher or deeper level.
Math in Focus is focused on problem solving, which helps students build solid conceptual understanding through a focus on problem solving. The sequence of topics are developed in depth following the problem solving framework found within Singapore Math. Students work through problems to learn the why and how of math processes. This is accomplished through instruction, hands-on activities, and problem solving.
In the 4th grade, we have a variety of topics, and here they are. We go from whole numbers, estimation, multiplication, division, tables, graphs, data and probability, fractions, mixed numbers, decimals, adding and subtracting, angles, parallel and perpendicular line segments, squares, rectangles, conversion of measurement, area and perimeter, symmetry, and tessellation. A lot of topics that, again, the students will get in subsequent years.
The following are the topics covered in 5th grade Math in Focus. In 5th grade, place value of whole numbers is reviewed at the beginning of the year. With regards to whole numbers, we also review multiplying and dividing them. In 5th grade, students add, subtract, multiply, and divide fractions and mixed numbers. Students are taught place value of decimals, how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide them. They are also taught the relationship between fractions and decimals. Chapter 5 in Math in Focus is an introduction to algebra. In this chapter, students are introduced to variables representing numbers and how to solve for those variables in basic equations. Students are also taught volume in 5th grade. They are taught the formula length times width times height and use models to fully grasp the ideology of volume. Students are also introduced to additive volume, where they find the volume of two prisms together. In 5th grade, students learn about quadrilaterals and the traits that different quadrilaterals have to make them unique. Finally, in 5th grade, students learn about measurement, both standard and metric. Students learn how to convert measurements within both systems and also learn real-life representations of the different forms of measurement. Here are some of the topics that are also covered in Math in Focus for 6th grade. Positive numbers and the number line, negative numbers and the number line, coordinate plane, including reflections and length of segments, fractions and decimals using all operations, ratios, rates, percents, algebraic expressions, algebraic equations and inequalities, areas of polygons, surface area and volume of solids, statistics and probability, and measures of central tendency.
So as you can see, it's a building block system that we start in the 4th grade, and they do go into greater depth as the student goes through the grade levels.